Going out for the day, have to sort the dogs out where they stay so they're not a nuisance to people. This one's staying in the house. This one's staying in the porch. Okay babies, won't be long. That's my pups. Let you out when I come home, we'll let you out. We're going to a new home next weekend. Good boys. There's Molly. Alright Molly. There's the other run. Good puppies. What? Won't be long. We'll leave the radio on. They like a bit of music. Just all their towels. Okay, just going to the shops. Be back later. Hello, George. Hello, Julia. Roo.